Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add a new Steam library on another drive. This is incredibly useful when your main drive is running out of space and you want to store your games on a different drive without any hassle. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will open up the main settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your Steam client. In the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Storage. This section is specifically designed to manage where your games are installed and stored on your computer. It gives you full control over which drive Steam uses for your game library, making it easy to expand your storage options. Now, at the top of the storage section, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Add Drive. This option allows you to designate a new location where Steam can install and store games, effectively expanding your available storage space for your gaming library. Next, another drop-down menu will appear. Click on it and select your other drive from the list, then click Add. This tells Steam to recognize and use this drive as a valid location for game installations. The system will quickly register the new drive and make it available for future game downloads and installations. To verify that everything was set up correctly, click the drop-down menu again. You should now see your newly added drive listed there, confirming that Steam has successfully recognized it as an available storage location. This ensures that when you install new games, you'll have the option to choose this drive. Now let's test if everything is working properly. In the upper left corner, click on Library. This will take you to your main game library where all your installed and available games are displayed. From here, you can manage your game installations and decide where to store them. In the left panel, click on the game you want to install or move to your new drive. This will open up the game's detail page where you can see information about the game and access installation options. Choose any game you'd like to test with. Click the Install button to begin the installation process. Before the installation starts, Steam will prompt you to choose where you want to install the game. Look for the local drive you added earlier in the list of available storage locations. If you see it there, it means your new drive is working perfectly and ready to store games. And that's it! You've successfully added a new Steam library on another drive and expanded your gaming storage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.